Yo, good evening. Welcome to Global Watch. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. And we again, and I don't know the thing going on. Yo, today I come to talk about some things when we see I go and start. It come like our nation is already doomed or it's on its way to be doomed. But anyway you look on it, it's gonna be a lot of casualty in Jamaica sooner or later. You see me? Because me can't understand, say, when me I grew up, certain music couldn't even get played on the radio. See? No care much blood clean music Bounty Killer make. Can't believe my eyes. You see me? Sufferer, poor people fed up, all of them things there. Them tune they get banned as them start get played on the radio. So, me no see how TikTok make Jamaica get so loose. That's people just attack all kind of things. You see me? Over the ear. And get away with them something here. In our culture, like Jamaican culture. Come here watch a video with this boy named Jaden. Him and one youth upon the live and the two of them have a convo. And the man I say, oh, don't do them something that again. And I say, no man, me nah this man, me nah wait them they come like my boy I want to blow him up. So my boy I say, yo, oh, this and that or more if him think me can't remember exactly what him saying because me is a boy I don't want to even remember them things this time. But him say something about you think I just want to thump you. You see me? And this nigga there on the waiting and I say, oh, you make me a blush. But he must say, he want to thump the man in his ass. And that he must tell the man, you know. And then man there on live and I blush and I say, oh, you making me blush. Now, yo, you tell me now. Are that Jamaica bomb buckler gone to? Are that Jamaica really gone to? Pardon me cussing, but Jano, yo, me astonished. I feel cuss. Because I can't really believe, say, this is what Jamaica turn out to be and gone to. For them little fish boy are there on the internet. I try to portray something. Knowing say this is not our culture. You see me? And them know say look youth up on the internet and I watch them thing here. And they make them something that seems like this is a normal thing in our culture, Jamaica. Bro, them something that normal, bro. You see me? And listen, bro. Whatever thing you have in your house, keep that in your house, bro. The kids them no need fear, I hear them thing and I see them thing there, bro. You know what me I say? When you stop going like you want to destroy man bumbuckler culture, my youth. And what man stand for. You see me? Because we are the last defense of the world. And believe it or not, sooner or later, God I got turn him back pan way. I pay destruction I got come down there. Eh? Just watch. The amount of flood and blood clot earthquake I got lick Jamaica because of all of them something I want to go on. Because we now hold the order yard no more. You see me? Every man I sell them soul just to achieve $1. $1 where them I go spend in the next day and don't have a blood clot next dollar. Them I wake up hungry because them hungry do it for ball out. You see me? And say, yo, them are floss. You see me, brother? Me can't believe that Jamaica gone to. Them boy the Jaden and them boy there. They on internet and them they make famous. And them youth they make famous and I push them out to the world. Like the man I purchase some things there. Yes, me you are dealing. You good? Man I purchase some things where them not supposed to purchase. You see me? And frankly it not sit well with me. You see me? If a man have him thing, keep that in your house, Bridget. Don't try to put it out there on the internet and make it seem like them something that a normal thing. You see me? And I try to mislead the kids them. Them something that not right, Bridget. Like definitely not a place in our culture. You see me? Boy Jaden for gweh. Them boy for gweh. The whole of them for gweh, man. Come fish out man culture, Bridget. Like yo, vibes. Nah lie, I'm a vex. You see I got that boy there. And I endorse him, yo. Me I tell you straight, me a Gaza fan. I mean I care if you want vex. You see me? Because me a boy right for you until you're in a prison, Bridget. You see me? Whole heap of video me do. I'm still not getting no acknowledgement. How do you, my G? Thing good?
Everything good.
Blessings. Still not getting acknowledgement. I see you acknowledge them boy there. When him Jaden, I hug him up. And I talk about a hoe, pantool and all kind of thing, bro. Them boy there for gweh. And if you support them brother there, you can't support you no more, Bridget. I have to cut you off. Big woman thing. I have to cut you off, brother. Because straight pussy we say. You see me? Straight pussy me say. Straight vagina me say. To the end. And we not stop say that. This a boy love woman. Love woman. That me I tell you, I don't know I want to some boy. I come go like I want to come teach some irrelevant things to man culture. Man and man can't make nothing in a blood clot life. Woman and woman can't make nothing in a life. It takes a man and a woman to multiply. So stop teaching youth them. Like say them something they want to teach you them, a good thing we not teach you them. When if you go, the whole of you know. You know the blood clot germs itself. Come germs out the look of youth them and the new generation will come. You see me? Yo, youth and a solid nation and our culture stay. Don't make them chicken no. That me I tell you youth and youth. Stay focused. You see me? Stay down to the ground, bridging. You see me? Don't make no man chicken no. You see me? Work hard, go for the goal. Listen to no mother and no father. And the days are go longer. You see me? Never grew up with my blood clip mother, bridging. I'm a grandmother and my father I grew up with. You see me? So, me I tell you right now, listen to no parents. And when the days are go longer. Stop follow them boy I want to see on internet. Or sell them soul to get money. You see me? And anytime the camera lock off them, I forgot a man, yeah, go lock up in a man house, in a man bed with them. Forget what them want. Them boy they are freak, the whole of them are freak. I make them chicken look at youth. You see me? Don't make them chicken, that is not our culture, bridging. And that's how we stay and that's how we grew up. That is not Jamaica. The boy Jaden and him friend them for gweh. Whole of them. Fish them. That me I tell you now. Now stop bonfire power no boy. You see me? Now you're gone. I'm going to take it up for Naya. Straight. Burn you out. A woman will say, straight front to say, nothing with no fish. Please like, share and subscribe at Global Watch Media. Tell a friend to tell a friend and we again. Boom, 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 boom. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Aha.